Okay.
Hi, Mark.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, sorry, that was kind of weird. Take two.
Okay, so oh, sorry. We're in a bathtub. See? See bathtub? Drain. Bathroom. Mirror. Glass.
Yeah.
Pencil. God.
Julie!
So yeah. Oh, by the way, you like a pajamas?
For like thing 1 and thing 2. Pretty sweet.
I know it seems like we're upside down, but if you turn your computer around, I just realized. Here, wait. Okay, there. Stop! You make me shake the camera. Stop! You make me shake the camera.